What to do if you cannot send or receive pictures or messages in Android devices. So if you want to fix, or if you're not being able to send the pictures or messages in your Android devices, then what you need to do is, first you need to open up your settings. And once you open your settings, now the first thing you need to make sure that you have the mobile tower. So here on the upper right you will have the tower option, right? So you need to simply make sure that the tower or the signal is more than the 2 lines. So if you have that 2, 3 or 4, then you'll be able to send or receive the pictures or messages. But if you don't have the lines, or if you don't have that 2 or 3 lines filled, then you are not getting a stable network and you won't be able to send or receive the photos or messages, right? So first make sure that, and then you need to open up your settings. And once you open your settings, now go for the search which is on the upper right, tap on the search and then search for reset. Once you've searched, here you will have reset options. Tap on that and then you need to simply go for reset options again and tap on the first, which is reset Wi-Fi and mobile and Bluetooth, and tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom. And here you need to enter your PIN. Once you enter your PIN, reset your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth and your mobile data, and once you've reset it, now your problem will be fixed. And the third thing you need to check is your phone is not in the battery saver mode or the power saving mode. So if your Android device is on the battery saving or the power saving mode, then some features will not be available to you. So make sure that it is not turned on. But if it's turned on, make sure to turn that off. And once you've done that, now the fourth thing is you need to turn on your mobile data. So if you want to send or receive pictures in your messages, so if you want to send or receive the pictures, messages in your MMS, then make sure that you have turned on your data, because without turning on your data or your mobile data, you won't be able to receive or send that. So you need to do that on your data only. You can't turn on your Wi-Fi and it won't be able to load, or you won't be able to send or receive that on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have turned on the data. And once you've made sure all of these settings, you can restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix the sending or receiving pictures or messages in your Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.